Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to explode a block in a perfect way. So there is one first option that we use the command explode, but what happens in this command that it actually breaks the attributes of the file. So what is the better way of doing it is that I'll show you again. Let's make this a block. BL enter is the shortcut for block. So we will write a plan 2. We'll write a name, plan 2, and press enter. So again, this has become a block. So what is the perfect way of exploding is by using the command burst, burst, simple burst, and press enter. So it will do the same thing that it does with an explode, that it bursts the AutoCAD block, but it will not hamper the attributes that are attached to the file. So basically, it is a very simple tool. You just select the block, write burst, burst, and press enter, and that's all. It will convert your block into a freely usable CAD file as a cleaner file like this. Yeah, it is that simple. It is better